Ahead of the monsoon session of the Maharashtra legislature, Maharashtra government revoked two of its government resolutions dated April 16 and June 17. Those government resolutions, that is the GR, what they held was the contentious three language policy introduction in Maharashtra schools from class 1, with Hindi as the third default language. Now, first GR, which was introduced in April 16, what it said was that Hindi will be made as the third mandatory language for Maharashtra schools from class 1 onwards. But after much uproar, Maharashtra government came out with another GR on 17 June, which said that though Hindi will not be the mandatory language, but it retained the three language policy of the NEP recommendation and said that Hindi will not be mandatory. Instead, it will be a default language. What it means was that in a class, if there are more than 20 students who want to learn some other language as the third language, then they will be given a choice to do so. But if the number is less than 20, then they will have to learn Hindi as a default language. Now remember, this GR was for English and Marathi medium schools. Now Marathi, being the state language, is a compulsory language in Maharashtra, and in Maharashtra from class 5 onwards there is a three language policy anyway. But the opposition and language experts and academicians called this that Hindi should not be imposed for students from class 1. The political opponents like Shiv Sena UBT, Congress, NCP Sharad Pawar said that by doing so, the Mahayuti government is trying to impose Hindi in the state. Now, in all of this, we have to remember that there are local body polls in Maharashtra which are slated to be held sometime later this year. And in all of this, there were talks that Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray, the estranged cousins, might come together for a local body poll in BMC, that is in Mumbai. While this was going on, Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray announced that they will now hold a protest against this Hindi imposition in Maharashtra, and that protest march, which would bring these two estranged cousins together, will be held on July 5th. So in all of this, the background of this, Maharashtra government, just ahead of the monsoon session, which started from June 30th, said that they are taking back these two GRs. Now, what this means for the opposition first is that the opposition is trying to claim this as a victory, because they said that the Marathi Pride and Marathi Manus coming together for a protest on July 5th is the reason why Maharashtra government is taking back its GR. They were trying to give it like a show of strength of Marathi people in Maharashtra, but because of that, the opposition is claiming that Maharashtra government got scared and they are taking back the GR. So they are claiming it as a victory. And now they said that since the GR is taken back, they will not hold a protest march, but instead they will go ahead with a victory rally. So now let's understand what it means for Mahayuti government, especially the BJP. Now, we need to understand that it is crucial. The timing is very, very crucial because this came just ahead of the monsoon session. Now, this was a very big topic in Maharashtra. It's an emotive topic for Maharashtra and Maharashtrian people, and that is why it was a big topic that the opposition was going to corner the government against. But with this GR taking backwards, now there is no big issue that the opposition is going to corner the government on. Now we have to see what other issues that the opposition will pick up. But at least the BJP-led Mahayuti government has tried to control the narrative that they are not anti-Marathi. Number two, with this topic, it was said that the Thackerays would come together, which they in fact had even announced that on 5th of July that they would be holding a protest rally. This would have meant a big show of strength, and also it could have possibly sown seeds for both the Thackeray brothers to form an alliance for the BMC polls. But now with this GR taken backwards and the government on the back foot, although they are holding a victory rally, but it needs to be seen now what is that glue which will bring both the Thackeray's together, because this Marathi Manus and Marathi Pride and Marathi language was a big glue for both the Thackeray's to come together. Even that is being controlled by the Mahayuti government. Number three, now BJP has started also saying that this opposition, especially Shiv Sena, Uddhav Barasaheb Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray are anti-Hindi because all they were trying to do is just introduce a Indian language into the state, and it is the Shiv Sena UBT that is opposing an Indian language, but they are okay with English. So they are trying to build a narrative of Shiv Sena being anti-Hindi. Now, this is important because BMC, where Shiv Sena has its highest strength, and BMC polls, which will be conducted sometime later this year, we need to see that it is not only the Marathi population that is growing in Mumbai, but instead the Hindi speaking population is also growing in Mumbai. So it is important to see if BJP is successful in creating a narrative that Shiv Sena UBT is anti-Hindi, that will impact majorly to the opposition, especially the Shiv Sena UBT, which wants to reclaim BMC when it will go for polls later this year. So we will be keeping an eye on this developing story, what happens to the rally next, what is the narrative that the opposition is trying to build now, and how BJP-led Mahayuti government is trying to control this narrative. This is me, Purva Chitnis, for The Print.